So to make the dough, it's not very complicated. You're just going to need 1 mug or cup, whatever mug you use or cup that you use. It will be the same measurement for everything. So you're going to need 2 cups of milk, and then after you'll need 2 cups of water. And now we're going to put in 4 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to sprinkle this with a little bit of salt, and I'm doing that now because then if I don't do it now, I'll forget later on. Now we're going to put this on the stove, and while this is warming up, I will be separating 4 cups with the same mug that I used of flour.
Walking away, your words are lost on me. It's taking everything not to turn around. Throw it away, see if you'll let go of me when you're not holding me. I can see it now.
This is what it's looking like. What we're going for is for it to start to boil. And once it boils, we're going to turn down the heat and slowly put in the flour, mix it all together until it forms a dough.
I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time. Lost in my head, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. I'm up all day, all night, replaying our lives.
I hope you can see this. It is starting to boil. So I'm going to turn down the heat, and we're going to slowly add in the flour.
Kinda hate myself sometimes. Everything was on the line. Didn't wanna be the one who had to say it. No, I can't rewind the time. Promise I'll be done my time.
I'm just going to mix until it forms a dough.
But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose this.
Turning off the heat now. I'm going to come over to my countertop. Once your dough is ready, you are going to turn the pot over your floured surface and let it drop on there. Make sure you do not touch it right now. It is really, really hot. You need to let this cool down before you handle it with your hands. While this is cooling down, you can go make a filling or do something else. When it is finally cooled down, you can knead it with your hands until it becomes a smooth dough. And if you want to learn step by step how to make the rissóis, I will leave the link to that video in the description below. I will also leave the links to the 3 videos that I made of the fillings. So I made a video on shrimp filling, meat filling, and chorizo filling. If you want to check those out, you can also check the description box. But that's pretty much it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. It supports my channel a lot. Don't forget to comment down below what you think about this recipe, if you do yours any different, and if you would like to subscribe so you don't miss any future content. I really hope to see you guys next time. Bye.
myself sometimes. Everything was on the line. Didn't wanna be the one who had to say it. No, I can't rewind the time. Promise I'll put down my pride. Don't look back because I mean it when I say it. But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. Trying to keep myself sometimes. Everything's on the line. I don't care to say it. No, I can't rewind the time. I promise I'm gonna lose it when I say it. Walking away, your words are lost on me. It's taking everything not to turn around. Throw it away. See if you'll let go of me when you're not holding me. I can see it now. Take it when I lose.